Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove songs from SoundCloud playlist but in PC. So, I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything and just follow me. And if you have any queries or any problem within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your soundcloud.com website and you'll be over here in the home page. Then from here, what you need to do is just go to your profile and just go to your profile again from here and you'll be over here. So from here, just go to your playlist. And so this is your playlist. Let's say you want to do this one, just go with edit over here and then go with the track. So I want to delete this song from my playlist, so just go with this cross mark on your right which says remove track from playlist. Just press it, okay, like this, and then press on save changes, and then that will be deleted like this. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you remove. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.